How to fix WhatsApp audio call problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp audio call problem on Android phone. First go to settings and then just scroll down until you find apps. Now click apps again and here you will find all your installed apps, and then just type here WhatsApp and now click WhatsApp, and here click storage, clear cache, and then go back. Now go to permissions and here you need to allow all of those here. Allow phone, you will find it like that, and microphone you will find it like that. And camera, now just allow all of those, click on it like that. Click on it and click allow, and then phone and allow it, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.